guys, this is my 1986 Nissan 300ZX, I named her Zener. This is on the first day I picked her up. As you can tell, she's not in great shape. This was the first night spent in the garage. Right here I was thinking, what am I going to do with this? At first, I attempt to straighten the top out. At this moment, I realize I need to cut the top off. Now I started to address the coolant issues by changing the water pump, thermostats, radiator, and while I was down there, I changed the timing belt. And here's the donor I got for the new top. Now I start prepping to start to cut the top off. The top is gone off the donor. No looking back now. The top is now removed from Zener. After carefully measuring, I then welded the top with my limited welding experience onto the car. Yeah, that hole, that was a big rust. Got Miss Deer coming along. Look how Miss Deer. Get a new glass door, mate. Look how Miss Deer. Look how Miss Deer. Look how Miss Deer. Look how Miss Deer. Then I start prepping her, just start putting her back together a little bit so I can start driving her around town. She's coming along nicely. I then got the guy to come out and put my new windshield in because the one I had was cracked. Wow, look at this car. She has come a long way. She's not perfect yet, but she's coming along nicely. Working dash. done to this car. So like, comment, subscribe for more content I will be uploading periodically.